Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can get your Wi-Fi password. In case if you just forget your Wi-Fi password, then how you can recover that. So for that we only need two commands, then we will get our password using our CMD prompt. So here I have one Wi-Fi connection and I want to know the password for this one. Okay, so just go and open your CMD prompt, use Window R and press enter. Then here you need to put your you need to type a command, that is netsh, and then wlan show profiles. When you just type this, you will be able to see the previous connections of your Wi-Fi. So here we want to get the password for this one, so just type netsh wlan show profile and then the name of the Wi-Fi connection, FTTH-55880, and then type key is equals to clear and then press enter. In the security settings section you will be able to get the password of your Wi-Fi connection, that is key content is equals to the password of your Wi-Fi connection. So this is how you can get the password of the previously connected Wi-Fi in your system. So I hope you enjoy this video, so please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.